Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. After modeling this component in NX, the component will look like this. This is a final component of our object. Now we will recreate this component using NX. For that, first go to the file, new, choose model. Our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter, specify the file name, specify the location, say OK. Now we'll start modeling it. First I am going to create this sketch and extrude up to the length of 125. For that, go to the sketch, taking the right plane, say OK. Take the profile. I'm starting from here, this point, here. Thickness are same 12 mm only. So create like this, create it, close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. First make equal lengths, this one, and this one. These three lines are equal. Then specify the length of this one as 62. Do you want to scale the entire sketch? Yes. Press the roller to confirm. While doing a first line, you are modifying it. Then use the option of scale the entire sketch into the same dimension. Then go for specifying the other dimension. This one is 12 mm. And this height is also be 12. Here you can see, press the roller to confirm. Then this length is 62 plus 12. 12 plus 62 plus center. Now you can see the sketch is fully defined. Then go for the finish sketch. Extrude. Here make the value of symmetric value. Total extrusion length is 125. Press enter it. Say OK. Now we have created these features. The next add material feature is these two supports. For that, go to the sketch again. Just rotate your object. Make sure you are selecting this point, the surface. Say OK. First create the one center line. From here to here, I'm just creating the center line. Make this as a construction line. Then go for the rectangle. First create one rectangle, then create with the same height, create another rectangle. These rectangle lengths are same, so this and this distance, these two distances are same, and these two height already be same, and the distance between these two is 20, and this should be a symmetric. For that, go click this one, this point, this line, and center axis. Say OK. Now it is made symmetric. Then this distance is 12 mm. This height is also 15 mm. This height is 15 mm. Now all the dimension we have defined. Just go for the finish sketch. Then do the extrusion, change the direction. Here make it until next. Here it's not working. Then go for the value. The value is 62 plus 12. Press enter it. Now you can see it is completely making unite. Say OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created this feature also. The final material addition feature is this one. This is a rib. To create this rib, go to the sketch again, select this plane, say OK. Now go to the line, make sure you are in the entire assembly, then only you can able to select the endpoints somewhere here. Take the line again, this point and somewhere here. Press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now we need to define only the height of this one and angle. So just define this angle. From here to the angle is 30 degree. Now it came. Just finish sketch. Then go for the rib. Here we make it symmetric value. The thickness of the rib is 12 mm. Just say OK. Now we have created all the material addition features. Then we'll create the material removal feature of these 4 holes. Then these 2 rounds. First go for these 2 holes. For that go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. First create one circle here and one more circle here. Both the circle are same diameter with the diameter of 15 mm. Select the circle and select the circle. Make it equal circle. And from here to here the distance is 15. Press enter. Similarly from here to here the distance is 15 mm. Press enter. Similarly here we need to define it. From this point to here the distance is 15. Just move here. From here to here the distance is 15 mm. Then finally we need to define the diameter of the hole. The diameter of the hole is 15 mm. Now the sketch is fully defined. Then go for finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction to until next. Say OK. Now we have created these 2 holes. Then we'll create these 2 holes. For that go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Draw 2 circles. First one. Second one. Both you make it equal. And the 2 holes with the diameter of 12. Specify the diameter which is 12. Then specify the height. From here to here the distance is 20. Similarly from here to the center distance is 30. For this also we need to define it. Same from here to here which is 20. And this distance is already set as 30. Now just go for the finish sketch. Then go for extrusion. Change the direction. Here we make it until next. Say OK. Hide the sketch. Now we have created this hole also. Then we'll go for the couple of rounds with a radius of 10 mm. Here you can see. For that go for the edge blend. Select this edge. Then select this edge. The radius is 10 mm. Then just apply it. Here also you can see it here. The rib also it's made a little round. For that select this edge. Use some value of 10. Just save it. Just right click here. Go to orient view, isometric view. Now you just see the component. All the features are done. We have finished this component. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. In next tutorial, we will come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my tutorials. Thank you.